let me show you. Look here, a below arrow, and wait for 1, 2, 3, 7, 8 candles, maximum 8 candles. Okay, and now let me show you. Look here guys, count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles and a big spike. Okay, and see again, 3 spikes, 4. Look here guys, an arrow for spike, before spike. Look here, 1 candle, 2 candle, 3, and look here, 1 and 2 spikes on way. Let's see one more example. Look here guys, arrow for spike and 1, 2, 3, 4, and look here, a thin spike. Okay, this is the accuracy of our system. Look here, continuously 1, 2, 3 spikes. Look here, a big one. Let's see one more signal. Look here guys, a below arrow, so it means spike one way, and wait for 1, 2, 3, and look here, 1, 2, and third one spike. Let me start again. Look here, arrow, enter for spike, 1, 2, 3, and look here, 3 candles and spike. Let's start again. Look here, 2 spikes. Look here, spike arrow. Just not first. Let me show you our telegram. Look here, spike, boom, 5 under the spike. Look here. Okay, look here, crash spike. Look here, crash spike. Look here, that people making spikes with our system. Look here. Okay, look, here is the system. Okay, and look here, look here, spike signal and the spike. Okay guys, just simply you have to follow that arrow and make more clips. Okay, interested people, please check the description and contact with us, and we'll tell you how to make clips using this system. Thanks for watching.